Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you why buying is not always better than renting. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. 1. No maintenance costs or repair bills. One of the blessings of renting a domestic is that there aren't any preservation prices or restore bills. This method that whilst you lease a belongings, your landlord assumes complete duty for all preservation, improvement, and repairs. If an equipment stops running or your roof begins off-evolve to leak, you name the landlord, who's required to restoration or update it. Homeowners, on the opposite hand, are answerable for all domestic restore, preservation, and protection fees. Depending on the character of the task, and whether or not more than one jobs pop up on the equal time, it could get pretty pricey. 2. No real estate taxes. One of the most important advantages of renting as opposed to proudly owning is that renters don't need to pay assets taxes. Real property taxes may be a hefty burden for owners and range with the aid of using county. In a few regions, the expenses related to belongings taxes can quantity to heaps of bucks every year. Although belongings tax calculations may be complex, they're decided primarily based totally at the anticipated assets cost of the residence and the quantity of land on which it is built. With new structures getting large and large, assets taxes may be a good-sized economic burden to owners. 3. More flexibility as to where to live. Renters can stay nearly anywhere, at the same time as owners are limited to regions wherein they could have the funds to buy. Living in an costly metropolis including New York can be out of attain for maximum domestic buyers, however it's far completely feasible for renters. Although rents may be excessive in regions in which domestic values also are excessive, renters are greater apt to locate and less costly month-to-month charge than domestic buyers. 4. Fixed rent amount. The quantity you pay for hire is constant for the span of the rent agreement. While landlords can enhance the lease with notice, you could price range extra efficiently, due to the fact you realize the quantity of lease you're required to pay. The identical applies to owners with constant charge mortgages, which additionally permit for green budgeting. But adjustable price mortgages can fluctuate, frequently ensuing in growing loan bills because of better hobby charges. Property taxes are any other variable that could boom charges for house owners, however don't have an effect on renters. 5. Few concerns about decreasing property value. Property values pass up and down. While this can have an effect on owners in a massive way, it impacts renters notably less, if at all. Your domestic price can affect the quantity of assets taxes you pay and the quantity of your loan. In a rocky housing market, renters won't be as adversely affected as house owners. So thanks for watching. And if you are new, please make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications just so every time I upload you won't miss anything.